Hi, I'm Adam Southern. We manufacture and install bespoke kitchen and bedroom furniture. The company was founded around 2015. I started out just as an installer for other companies and decided to take the leap and start manufacturing for myself. In early 21, I started off with the basic machines, panel saw and an edge bander, doing all the drilling by hand with jigs, various things. And then decided it was time to invest in better machinery. I first came across Carl at J&C when I was looking for a new drilling machine. I come across the Camondale machine, which was my first machine for boring horizontal and vertical holes. I needed a machine which had a greater variety of drilling and boring options. I looked at the AES Series 950M. Went up for a demo up at J&C and was very impressed with it. So the software of the machine is very simple to use. You can change things from left to right at the touch of a button. You can visually see it on the screen so you know exactly where the holes are being drilled. It's hard to make a mistake on it. As the demand grew, I needed an extra pair of hands and I decided to invest in the AES Series. When it's finished completing a piece, I can take that piece out of the machine onto the workbench. While it's then drilling the next piece, I can be inserting the fittings into that last piece, so production never stops. The main material we use is MFC and MDF. From your simple PVC edge doors to your bespoke painted timber shaker doors. Well, the customer base is mainly domestic, from making a simple 3-drawer cabinet to a fully fitted bedroom. The commissioning of the machine was straightforward. The guys were here for a full day, levelling it up, setting it up, putting all the bits in the right holders for me. The following day another engineer was here showing me all the software on it, how to use it. So in the early days of having the machine, whenever I needed any guidance or technical support, I can phone one of the engineers up or quick FaceTime to them. If I wanted to know how to change a tool over, they've taught me through it within 5 minutes. I'd like to thank Carl at J&C for not just selling me any machine, but actually advising me on what machinery suits me best and for me to grow and move forward. Everyone at J&C has been fantastic, so thanks very much for your help and I look forward to the next machine.